as a leader, know the purpose why you are here and why we are in front of our all of us right now facing some hurdles, struggles, di ba? Papunta sa mga pangarap natin. And alam ko, iba sa inyo, kinakabahan, nininervyos, nagtatanong, upline, kaya pa ba? Upline, tutuloy pa ba? Upline, ano ba ang plano? Mga kaibigan, that's the reason why I'm here right now in front of you, telling you, just pursue your purpose. Because in your heart, you know the reason why